Hello, good afternoon. My name is Jonathan Fonseca. Today I'm talking about some unspecific topics that I learned in this semester in class the statistics. The first one is frequency chart. Here we have a lot of information about some unspecific case. It's necessary to complete this part. We need to complete this. The first one is n. N means our population. So here is necessary to put equal with the word count. Double click, and we need to select all information that we have. So, and finally we put enter. Low limit here is so easy. Equal that the word mean. Double enter, and again we need to select all information. Upper limit, the same process, but the difference is that the word in this case is max. So again, do you have to select all information too and enter. The range is very easy, so equal this information minus that information, and that we have the range. Numbers of intervals, here we need to use the Stonger's law, that with is equal 1 plus 3.33 multiply logged, the word logged, and our population, in this case end, and close dashes, and we have the information. Now in this case we need to search the amplitude. So the amplitude is our range divided our numbers of intervals. So equal this divided in this, and we have the amplitude. Now we need to complete this part. So lower limit passed directly, so equal that, and our upper limit is necessary to plus lower limit plus our amplitude, so equal this plus our amplitude, and enter. So this part pass here, so 27, and here is necessary to the same process, this plus our amplitude. So we have the information. I'm sorry. Now we have the other information. Do you remember that this date passed directly? So we have, and now we need to plus this and our amplitude. And do you have the um, the information? Now this, remember this date passed directly here, and this we need to plus this our amplitude. mm, the same process that do you have equal this plus this, and this case. So this plus equal this plus this, and finally uh, this plus our amplitude. Now our point limit, it's necessary that in Spanish is that the people knows marca de clase. It's very easy, so it's necessary to plus this, excuse me, af, after, I'm sorry, before, um, open the dashes, and this plus this, close the dashes, divided in 2. So now we have our point and limit. Now it's necessary to do another option. So first of all, we need to click in this part, and now in options, it's necessary to do click in complements and the word go. So we have it's necessary to do click in tools for analysis, and in this moment we do this part, analysis of dates. Click here, and now we need to do click on Instagram. This moment range of beginning is necessary to select all information, all dates that we have. So we select all dates. Now for this it's necessary to select upper limit. We need the row tools in a new sheet, percentage accumulated, and to create a graph. So in this moment we have our new sheet, so it's necessary to include a new column. So the first one here, select 2, and it's necessary to do a combined and in the middle, and write intervals. Here is necessary to copy the lower limit, so select the dates of our lower limit, copy, put here. Now it's necessary to include another one column, so attached, and this column is called xi without capital letters, and here is necessary to copy the middle of point. In this case, in Spanish, is called marca de clase. So copy. Now it's necessary to change this name, excuse me, for NI with capital letters. Here is necessary to include another one, attached, and it's an in capital letters, but the without capital letters. So here it's necessary to pass this directly, and now it's necessary to plus this and this. So equal this information plus this information, and we have the result. So we have the information. Now the next column is necessary to attach the another one, attached. So here is fi without capital letters. So it's necessary to divide this information. So equal this divided this, and the same process with the second column. So equal this divided this, and so we have the information. And finally we need to change this number for fi, but the difference between this and this is that the f is in capital letters. Now it's necessary to attach the bar graphs and the pie chart. So click in attached and recommended graphics. So click in the first one, the easier, but first of all it's necessary to select the column ni with capital letters, and click in this, and we have the our bar graphic. So we have the opportunity to change the number. So for example, graph, and here we change information that we have. So click left in this part and to select dates. So click to edit, and it's necessary to select our xi and accept. And now we have our graph. So it's necessary to include the pie graph. So here we need to select the fi with without capital letters. So the same process too, but different with a pie graphic. So we have, and now it's necessary to change this information, select dates, and we need to select the same, the middle of point in Spanish, marca de clase. So we have our graphics and our Instagram. Now it's necessary to do what is the mode, the median, and the average. So we that in dates, analyze the dates, and here played statistics, and we have a study page, average, beginning, and and click in resume.